Hi, my name is Chris, and I believe I have something that you're looking for. And that is the way out. Way out of the rat race, the way out of being stuck in traffic 5 days a week, the way out of almost never getting to see your family, and the way out of a lifestyle of just enough. Now, if you let me, I will show you the way out. And I will show you how you can create a life of abundance, a life of financial freedom, a life of quality for yourself and your family. Now, in order for me to show you this, I need you to do 3 very simple things. First thing is, I need you to log into ccpro90.com. That is ccpro90.com. Second thing is, I need you to listen carefully to what Jay Kubisak has to say. And as soon as you're done with that, the third thing I need you to do is to submit your application. It is as simple as that. Do it and change your life today.